New in the Dearjuliejulie Etsy shop today, the Antique Pansy Kit and the Vibrant Pansy Kit. Antique has 20 plus files. The Vibrant Kit has 47 files. Absolutely beautiful and way, way fun to work with. Stay tuned for a flip through of both kits. Now available in the Dearjuliejulie Etsy shop at 50% off while we're home. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I just wanted to take a little bit of time and let you see the new Pansy journal kits. So you know that there is this Pansy kit is in the Etsy shop right now, and these ones have been added. They're all the digital kits are 50% off. So this was the original Pansy kit. Then we have the Antique Pansy kit. This is the kit that the people that finished the February junk journals for the Finish It Junk Journal Challenge. This is the digital kit that they received, and now it's available in the Etsy shop. And you can see it starts with these awesome antique images, and so this is the large tag page, or I've also used it and folded it in journals and used it as a page. This is the journal card page. I've printed everything on copy paper because I just needed to get it copied so you can see it. So this is the journaling page. This is another ephemera page. So you see you get the long strips so that you have things to put, on the sides of mini journals, or on, you can rip these and do collage with them. But it's a great little piece, and you can see all of them had the same, I was using the same piece in them, but I really liked it. So then I decided it needed a little color, so I added just a couple of other images. So we have the little girl, the pansy girl, and then we have the pansy and the large pansy. So this is another tag page, okay? And this whole kit is all got the vintage look with the vignette around the outside. So this is an ephemera page. You get your long skinny bookmark size, and then these are great for pages in your mini journals. And I'll be showing you how to use that, or you can make larger tags. This one can also, you can have it be a tuck spot. So lots of things you can do with that. This is your mini ephemera page, and you just have a whole lot of all the different images. Okay, this is your mini journal kit. Okay, so you get pages for your mini journal kit. You get the cute little envelope with the little flowers that you can fussy cut. Then, this is part of the side-by-side pages for this kit. So you get the large receipt, you get the shiplap looking page. It's actually writing paper, but it looks like shiplap there. It's pretty cool. Another receipt, and the shiplap on the other side. You get this really cool receipt and the pansy on that side. Then you get the collage in the background and a music page and that. So these are side-by-side pages that you can just fold and have these in your journal. This is the collage page with one of the images there. I love the big, huge pansy. So you can see most of this is the dark purple, but then I did add the pink pansy in here also. So more pages. You get the large page with the pansy, and this would be great to go ahead and use and make a envelope out of. And this is the collage that comes with the antique, one of the collages, and this one gives you room that you can write over here. So no, that is the collage page, sorry. Okay, so here we have the mini the mini kit, the mini journal kit. Okay, so you can see you've got your little pages, or you can cut these and these can be journaling cards, however you want to use them. And so that is the antique pansy junk journal kit. Okay, and I think it has 22 or 21. It has around 20 files, okay, in this kit. Okay, so and it is available now. That's called the antique pansy kit. Next we have the Vibrant kit. This is a huge digital kit. So first I'm going to show you that you will be able to use these together. I think that these are going to look really, really awesome together. And so we're going to start off with pages. So these are the vignette pages. In this kit, you're going to get vignette and you're going to get Vibrant, and you're going to get some of the Vibrant pages that would have been in that kit. Okay, so that means they're before they got frosted. So this is the vintage side-by-sides. Okay. And you get a really good variety in this one. Look at that collage. Oh my gosh, I think it's amazing. You get the collage with this pansy girl. Okay, and so that is your vintage. Okay, and then this is the Vibrant. So you can see the difference between the Vibrant and the vintage. Okay, and again, there's more in this. There's more pages. Okay, and so this is the Vibrant. And I went ahead and I was going to be using the vintage, so I went ahead and added that in to this kit. So this, the vintage of this is in the antique kit. What happened was I made one kit and then I found the rest of the cards. So the basis of this kit is going to be the postcard ephemera that you're going to see in just a couple minutes here. Okay, so here is, I don't know if this is ephemera or if it's, yeah, this is the mini journal kit. Okay, so mini journal kit. You're able to cut this and put together a mini journal with these pages. You have tags and ephemera to go with your mini journal kit right here. And that page of ephemera to go, including, I love, oh my gosh, I love this kit. I cannot wait to play with this kit. Okay, so this is called the postcard ephemera. There's a zip file for each one of these categories that I'm telling you. So this is the postcard ephemera, and it starts off, you get these large receipts and some music and a stamp, and then you start getting some postcards. So these are the postcards, but you also get the little girl over here, a calendar, a tag, some more music, another receipt, the envelope. So you get a bigger envelope. And this envelope's over 100 years old. Okay, and here's some more postcards and the stamp and one of the pieces of ephemera. Then you get this page here. And so, pretty cool. That's just an ephemera page so that you can do something that you want with it. And then here you get the little receipts, the little postcards, and the little envelope. Here you get the receipts at 5 by 7. So here they are 5 by 7. Here they are 3.5 by 5. And so that gives you a variety of sizes for tags or flips and things in your journals. And then you get the envelope again here. So that is the postcard ephemera part of the kit. And then we have the ephemera part of the kit. And this, I found this after I had already given the other digital. And so I put it in with this kit. It would be part of the antique kit, but you know what? This just makes it so that they interact. So you get these 3 different size pieces and the 2 tags, or this could be put like this. It's perfect size for a list journal. I think that's the first thing I'll make with this, is I'll just get right on it and make a list journal, because I want to make something with this. So this is the ephemera. You get this large page. Again, it can go in a list journal like this. You can put this in your journal like this, and then have this fold and be a fold out. So there's going to be lots of things that you can do with these pages that I did a little different. Here is your large tags. And this is your journaling cards. And here's another one of those pages, but I thought you could probably make this into an envelope also, and then you would have this tag. Here's another page of tags. So, and then now we're in the frosted. Okay, so these are the vignette of the ephemera. And at the last minute, I was able to put them in. So these are they're just a little bit frosted and already done. So there you go. So that is the Vibrant Pansy kit. It has 47 files. So there are 47 files. I think there's like 23 pages for this kit, because you get the Vibrant and you get the Vibrant and the Vintage, and then there's 5 pages of a mini journal kit, and then several pages, I think 13 pages of ephemera or something crazy like that. But it's 47 pages of digital kit. So I cannot wait to play with this. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I would love to know what is your favorite, but you can see that we'll be able to use all of these together and interchange them. But I also think that this one is going to lend itself really well to some of the other, darker, more not as vibrant or colorful journals that you might be doing. So again, all of my digital kits are on sale in the Etsy shop, and they are 50% off. And so I hope you'll go check that out. And so normally what I do when I have a new digital kit, the digital kit that comes out for the party, okay, so this was last week's party, this was their kit, and so I'll have that. I'll have a companion kit that goes with it, and then another companion kit, usually 1 or 2 companion kits that all will go together. So that's kind of what we have, but at this time, so that everybody can make whatever they want to. All of the digital kits in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop are 50% off. So I hope you'll go check those out. And I'd love to know what was your favorite, and if you had a chance, what was your favorite image, and what would you like to see made with this. I mean, there's plenty in here to make a couple of journals, definitely. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. The Etsy information and the links to these kits will be in the description box down below. And don't forget, I will see you at 3:35 weekdays, live while we're home, Monday through Thursday, and every other Friday at 2:35. So, see you then. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.